Update 4. Jamie Malonzo. Jamie Malonzo remains doubtful for Barangay Ginebra San Miguel in the PBA Governors' Cup playoffs, despite making quick progress with his calf injury. Gin Kings head coach Tim Coe noted that while Malonzo is improving, he's still far from game shape, with his mobility limited to walking and running. Jamie is still not jumping, although he can walk and run. He hasn't been able to pass the test that would allow him to progress to practicing. He is doubtful to return for us, Coe said in an interview. Coe admitted that the continued absence of Malonzo is a huge blow for the Gin Kings frontline rotation, especially with the move of Christian Standardinger to the Terre Firme Jeep and the injury of George Isaacgo. Without him there, we're gonna go deeper into our rotation or play a smaller lineup, which was very difficult for us against San Miguel, Beerman, Coe said. Jamie is not ready to play yet, but should be available by November easily. Malonzo sustained his calf injury during the Gin Kings Ninday 588 victory against the Northport Batangpier in the elimination round of the 2024 PBA Philippine Cup last April 14. Aside from his absence in the Gin Kings matches, Malonzo also failed to suit up for the Gilas Pilipinas in the FIBA Paris Olympics qualifying tournament in the FIBA Asia Cup qualifying round. The Gin Kings are already assured of a quarter-final seat with their 6-3 win-loss record in the Group B standings. Samantala ito naman si Jeremiah Gray ay maganda na ang improvement sa natamong Achilles injury, malapit-lapit na rin itong makabalik. Dito na makikita ng K-Bar angay ang trio tandem nila Holt, Malonzo at Gray. Maganda naman ang pinapakita ng super rookie ng Gin Kings na si RJ Abarrientos kung saan naging best player pa ito sa kanilang last game. Sabi naman ng kanyang tiyuhin na 75% pa lang si RJ pero maganda na ang kanyang pinapakita sa liga. May laro mamaya ang Ginebra at ito ay huling laro nila sa elimination.